Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find Amazon working coupons. So for that what we have to do is open our browser, any browser you want to, and let's type coupon follow here and press enter. After that this website will open up. Let's click on that, couponfollow.com. It will take you to this website. Now here you have to sign in. If you don't have an account, you just have to create one. So let's create one. Click join. I will continue with my Google account. So let's click on join with Google. So after that, it will get you to this page. Now we will have to search a store. So let's type Amazon here. Let's click on Amazon.com. Here you go. It will show you some coupons here. Here are some coupons. I like this one. Free gifted Amazon coupon code. So let's click on show coupon. And here you go. It will give you the coupon code. You will have to copy and paste it when you're buying something from Amazon. So that's pretty much it, guys. So please give it a like and a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And thanks for watching.